Hello. I'm Silver. How do satellites orbit Earth? A satellite is an object that has been intentionally placed into orbit. These objects are called artificial satellites to distinguish them from natural satellites such as Earth's moon. Just like electron orbits the nucleus in each shell. First satellite, called Sputnik 1, was launched into an elliptical low Earth orbit by the USSR on October 4, 1957 as part of the Soviet space program. Then Sputnik 2 was launched on November 3, 1957 and carried the first living passenger into orbit, a dog named Laika. You know, he was a Soviet space dog who became one of the first animals in space, and the first animal to orbit the Earth. He was selected to be the occupant of the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2. In June 1961, 3.5 years after the launch of Sputnik 1, the United States Space Surveillance Network cataloged more than 100 Earth-orbiting satellites. In United States, Explorer 1 was launched on February 1, 1958. Explorer 1 was designed and built by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, while a Jupiter C rocket was modified by the Army Ballistic Missile Agency, ABMA, to accommodate a satellite payload, the resulting rocket known as the Juno 1. Like in weather forecasting, I talked with Ben Tennyson last time. Before talking to him, let's check out the orbiting speed. Suppose, satellite of any form, has an altitude above the Earth's surface is 36,000 kilometers. Note that the radius of an Earth is 6,370 kilometers. What is the circumference of a satellite and its speed, when one revolution is orbited in 24 hours? First of all, the entire radius you obtained is 42,370 kilometers. And then, the circumference of satellite orbit is 2 pi r, for r being the entire radius. We get 266,218 kilometers. And the speed of a satellite orbiting in a path is to divide by 24 hours. We get 11,092 kilometers per hour, or 6,889 miles per hour, which is therefore ultra fast, approximately 9 Mach. This is the result you have obtained the speed and circumference. So, let's meet Ben now. Ben, does satellite have an internet access?
Yes, like Google Maps and Google search engines.
Okay, Ben, how can you access Google Maps?
First, you have to search the name of any place, like Texas, as an example.
Okay.
In case if you browse street, pick this guy and drop into the state. You can browse in all directions, and the name of the streets you can find out. You can find out lots of supermarket, hotels, restaurants and many more. It's very easy to access.
Thanks for the details, Ben.
Thank you, Silver.
So, that's how the satellites orbit Earth, and we talked about its applications too. Like, comment, and subscribe now.